May mga tao na sisirain ka sa iba pero huwag kang mabahala. Salamin yan ng sarili nilang takot at duda. Pilit ka nilang hinahatak pababa dahil takot silang makita kang umangat at mapag-iwanan sila. Pero tuloy-tuloy ka lang. Basta't marangal ang iyong ginagawa, wala kang dapat ikabahala.
Someone who understands me, knows me inside out, and helps keep me together, and believes without a doubt that I could move a mountain, someone to tell it to. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be